The Scientific Method, with your hosts, Sue, the Science Guru, and Dr. Corey Fitzperiment. What is the scientific method? The scientific method is a way of doing an experiment using steps like predicting, observing, and explaining. That's right, a series of steps used to do a scientific experiment. But what are the steps of the scientific method? Number 1. Identify the problem or challenge. Number 2. Make a prediction about what will happen. Number 3. Do the experiment. Number 4. Observe what is happening. Number 5. Record your data or information from your observations. Number 6. Explain what happened. Number 1. Identify the problem or challenge. Number 2. Make a prediction. Number 3. Do the experiment. Number 4. Observe what is happening. Number 5. Record your data. Number 6. Explain what happened. Now, let's try our experiment. Today's experiment is Coke float. Yeah. Our materials are cans of pop, an aquarium, and some water. Hey, Sue, do cans of pop float? I don't know. Let's find out. Cans are made of metal. Cans are heavy. Cans are full of stuff, but don't drink them just yet, Dr. Corey. But will they float? Let's make some predictions.
I think this can of Coke will sink because it is heavy.
I think this can of Coke will sink because it's made of metal. Diet Coke. I think Diet Coke will sink also because it's also Coke, and Coke sank already.
I think Diet Coke will float because it's diet. It's not that heavy because it says it's diet. So, hey, Coke
It's light.
is heavy and it floated. Let's check it. This is Pepsi. I think it's going to sink because it seems a little bit heavy and also all the colors and stuff on it, and I think there's lots of chemicals on it that are probably heavy and they use a lot of potent stuff.
Well, I was wrong last time, but I'm going to be right this time for sure. This is Pepsi, and it's just like Coke. You can't even tell the difference. So I think it's going to sink just like Coke did. All right? Let's test it out.
Okay, good idea.
Okay, now we're on to Sprite, the light colas. I think that this one is going to float because it is light and there's no like food coloring or anything in it to make it look darker like cola in there. Yeah. Okay, that's mine.
Okay, I think this can of Sprite, since it has lots of bubbles in it, and it fizzes, especially when you open the top, has lots of bubbles. And I have seen lots of bubbles on the surface of water. So I think it's going to float. Let's try this. This is a can of apple juice, and I think it's going to float because it's really light. What do you think?
Well, I keep getting them wrong, so I think this time, let me see, we've got two that have sunk already. We've got two that are floating, and there's one left, so I don't even know which one is most. I'm going for sink.
Are you sure?
There's fruit, there's like a whole apple in there, an apple totally, well actually an apple floats. I'm going float, I'm changing. Float. You ready?
Yeah.
Last one.